the gut, mind, and sacral are being rewired right now. I'm filming this on January 18th. But for you, it's quantum, it's timeless. If you're seeing this in February or March because you're going through a physical digestive purge, this will be applying to you then. So everything that is sort of digestion oriented, inability to swallow, gagging, not hungry, super, super hungry, indigestion, upset stomach, I sound like a Pepto-Bismol commercial, diarrhea, vomiting, aches and pains, gas, bloating, all of that pretty much, from the mouth down is it's all a part of the Ascension symptoms right now. And what is happening is that the whole gut, mind, and sacral are being rewired in order to bring forth more crystalline / Christ aligned realities. So this is going to apply for a lot of people. And it's a good thing. Now, we don't like Ascension symptoms as humans, but it's always, always a good thing. I'm here to assure you that if you're going through this, you're fine. Unless you think that you're not fine, in which case, please seek medical attention. The other piece that I need to remind you is that Ascension is about the physical body. What we're doing different this time than ever before is that we're not dying, passing through the veil, remembering who we are, recollecting our bits and pieces, and then coming back across through the veil into the human realm again, which we would call reincarnation. We're doing it all while staying here and staying in the physical body that you were born into. So Ascension, while it seems to be a very sort of spiritual consciousness related thing, and it's the body reprogramming itself. It is the body that is ascending. So the list of priorities on how this works now at this time in our timeline, and this time in the human civilization, Ascension comes first. Whatever that looks like for you, whether it's a breakup, losing a job, getting sick, someone passing away, you going through your awakening, your body going through things, whatever is next for you, the Ascension portion of your existence comes first. Ascension comes first. Second one is the translation of said Ascension through the physical body, because it's the physical body that is ascending. So whatever is next for you in the queue for your Ascension, your personal evolution, will translate as energy through the physical body so that your physical experience can change and so that your body can ascend. So that's 2. Ascension, then the physical body, then your human reality. That is the third and last priority. So where this can translate is sort of victim stories. Why is this happening to me? I was supposed to go to work today, or I was supposed to go on vacation, or, I had other things in my physical experience that needed me today, and I'm in bed because I have Ascension symptoms. This sucks. This can continue into more victim mentality, more separation from self and from source by saying, well, my team's obviously not supporting me and the universe clearly doesn't have my back, or I would have been able to do ABC or XYZ. What if I'm not better by tomorrow? Tomorrow I really need to do whatever it is, which is then the anxious version of moving through these energies and the physical body ascension and not having full control over your mind. That's the point of this. Do not give any more load to your body when your body's going through this than it's already working through. You have to assume in every now moment, your body is doing the best that it can to meet you and all of you in your ascension and in your physical reality. Both. It's doing its best. Where you cooperate with it is by supporting it and not adding to the load with more stories, more victimhood, more the universe doesn't have my back, I'm sick of this, when's this going to end, blah, 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 blah. Excuse me. The resources that you use to support your body is going to change pretty much minute by minute. This is not well, I took my vitamins this morning and I drink lots of water, so I'm good. This is going to be maybe the best way that you resource and support your body today is by not having pizza for lunch. Or maybe it is having pizza for lunch because your body needs resources. It could be fasting, it could be resourcing more, it could be rest, it could be meditation, it could be going for a walk in order to move the energy and help your body acclimate to what it's trying to acclimate to. The resources and the list of possibilities of how you meet your body is endless. But what you don't want to do is get into any kind of a mental loop that is disempowering and creates either anxiety or more density through thought for your body to have to cope with when it's already struggling. So, give it to you again. The gut, mind, and sacral are being rewired right now. The purpose of that is to bring through Crystaline / Christ realities manifested through the body. It's a good thing. The priority, always ascension first. Then the physical body translating that consciousness and that energy. Then your regular 3D life. You're going to have to just get used to living in that priority scale. Resources will change from hour to hour, minute to minute. I hope that this helps you.